We are here on Sea Swing at SeaWorld San Antonio. Are you ready? We're gonna swing, we're gonna spin.
I'm not ready. I'm not.
The floor's moving. Oh, here we go. This is the swing part of Sea Swing. Oh, now we're turning. Now we're spinning. Pretty mild. So far. Some nice views of Texas Stingray over there. Just swinging back and forth, nice and relaxing. This is nice. Yeah, this is good. Nice, relaxing little ride. Up we go. Oh, we're picking up a little bit. Now it's getting serious. Whoa! Hands up. Whoa! A little bit of floater air time there. Whoa, some air time. Whoa! Whoa!
That's not cool. I don't like that.
Whoa! Some G-forces. Whoa, air time. Whoa! G-forces. Whoa! Well, this is good. Okay, the ride's ending. We're slowing down. And that was the Sea Swing here at SeaWorld San Antonio. What did you think about that?
Brandon, you said this was gonna be somewhat of a kiddie ride, you liar.
It wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad, was it?
It wasn't that bad.
It was a little intense. A little intense.
A little bit, yes.
So some good G-forces on that. Some air time, some positive G's. That was fun.
That was fun.